Okay, we're gonna go into some anaerobic training. Right now I have 15 pounds. Just by doing this right here, you're already starting to work out. This is where the magic happens. I like to warm up utilizing some weights. Ladies, this right here is very critical. You wanna start with 5 pounds. Don't get excited. I know you wanna get in shape. 10, 15 pounds may be a little too much when you're starting out. Get you 5 pounds and keep your elbows tucked and rotate at the wrist, just like this. This right here is time under tension. Although I'm rotating my wrist, my biceps and my forearms are getting a workout. It's a crazy workout. Anything is possible if you just know what program you need to fit your level of fitness. If you're a beginner, don't worry about it, I got you. Now you guys may see me doing this a lot. This right here builds coordination. It builds coordination, it builds agility, but most importantly, it is doing cardio. This is anaerobic. This is anaerobic, which is another version of aerobic training, but it's being facilitated by weights in my hand. I got 15 pounds. This right here is working the arms, but most importantly, it's targeting the biceps, this rotation. So every time I come up, I swing, I bring in my elbows, and my biceps is getting the workout. This right here is a boxing bicep workout to assist with punching power. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh man, I'm getting tight now. I feel it. Man, that's a crazy pump. This right here, see by doing that, it gets me light. I like to practice because in boxing, you gotta be quick. Just like that. This is where the speed and power come from. Do my out and ins. So right here is cardio, but it's anaerobic training. You're raising that heart rate. Every rep you're doing, if you monitor your smartwatch, if you're wearing one, you're gonna notice your beats per minute, your BPMs, it's gonna start to go up. It's gonna start to increase. And your body can't discern whether you're doing cardio on the treadmill or you're doing anaerobic strength training. And this is what this is right here. But we're also getting the added benefit because through anaerobic resistance training, I'm working this particular muscle group, which is on my upper body, the shoulders, those delt heads. And I come out like so. Out, in. Keep that supinated grip. Palms facing the sky. Just down like that. It's an arm and chest exercise, ladies. Arm and chest. This right here is gonna lift the breast. For those of you who say you can't really run and sprint and do cardio in a traditional sense because your breast is a little too large, that's okay. This right here sculpts the breast and it adds that resistance. And it's also a form of cardio that you can use in lieu of just doing sprints. It's like this. Those parallel to the ground, in and out, in and out. This right here, contract that chest at the apex, contract, bring it out. This right here works the rear delt heads, the shoulders, as well as the pecs. Keep that tension as you bring it in. Remember, you always must contract, which means squeeze, 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 just like that.